Hey guys, I'm Lulu. So today we'll install this bonus wheel spacers for this Range Rover. What's the pros of install wheel spacers? Spacers are a kind of wheel accessories which are used to create distance on the inner portion of the wheel for clearance problems. By pushing out the wheel, you can get a small amount of clearance for bigger wheels without rubbing against the fender. Having a wheel brought out ideal distance allows for mounting larger brake calipers without wheel scratching. We can see the back of these adapters have unique active cooling groove design that makes the external air flow in and takes away the internal heat, so as to achieve the purpose of active cooling. Improve the braking efficiency and reduce the risk of driving safety. So that's all for today's video. If you have any questions, please leave your comments below. By the way,
welcome to subscribe our new channel, Bonus Wheel Fitment.
Thanks for watching and have a good day. See you next time. Bye bye.